Your customers already asking ChatGPT or Perplexity what brand to pick, what products to buy in supermarket, what car to buy, what software to pick for their small or medium business. AI already affects their buying behavior, and you must be the one who controls it. After 2 minutes of this video, you will understand how to track your AI visibility completely for free. You will get information about your AI visibility and what's the difference between regular SEO and GEO. The biggest problem for most of the brands, they don't understand how to track their AI visibility. So then they don't understand how AI mentions their brand, does it citates them, and what is the sentiment behind it. If someone will ask you versus your competitor, what LLM will answer? Do you know about this? Because most of the brands are not. And the important thing, this buying journey became much shorter. Previously, people went to Google, they searched through different links, visited every website, but right now it's enough to go to LLM, like ChatGPT, and tell them, I got this problem, tell me the solution that will fix it, and they will follow it. And the biggest difference between SEO and GEO, it's not about how you affect AI visibility, but more about how you track it. If you have Google Search Console or Ahrefs, SEMrush to track your SEO, to get info about impressions, rankings, traffic, and so on, with GEO and LLM don't have such tools from LLM providers. So this is why we created RankinAI. Half a year ago, we noticed a big shift that traffic from SEO went down, but at the same time, from LLMs, traffic became higher and higher. We noticed that many clients came to us from LLMs, but unfortunately, we wasn't being able to track this information. So recently, we won the competition with Glovo Startup Labs. This is one of the biggest food delivery app in Europe. The main reason why we won it, not because of the mention rate or citation rate in AI visibility, but more about sentiment. Glovo, they didn't understand what AI talks about their brand. So with RankinAI, you have the ability to see how AI sees your brand in terms of prompts, in terms of topics. You will have the full clarity across 4 main LLMs like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, AI Mode, and understand where your competitors, where you are, does you mentioned or not, whether your website cited by AI or not. The second important thing, you will understand where you're losing, because there are many things like technical optimization, content optimization, general visibility, link building profile. We will list you all the problems that you have and the ways how you affect your AI visibility. And one of the most important things, you will understand what to fix on your website, because the content part and technical side of your website, like landing pages, this is the basics of everything. Without it, you cannot move everywhere. So at the end, we will give you all the recommendations so you will make a perfect basement for yourself. So how RankinAI works? Pretty simple. You just collect a lot of prompts that your potential clients would ask. It might be, what is the best tool in specific category? What software to pick for startup owner? Dump a lot of different prompts. After this, we send them all to different LLMs and running them daily for you. And based on this information, you will see the analytics with all the prompts running through different LLMs, collecting context, synthesizing, and giving you actionable insights. Our main goal for you to become the #1 recommended brand in AI. Start by tracking it. Maybe you already are the first one, but you don't understand it. Go to RankinAI, set up your profile. It's completely free. We have a free plan, and you can start collecting data about your brand, about your AI visibility, and how LLMs treats your business.